Dolphin. Shark. Sharks have very sharp teeth. Octopus.
An octopus has 3 hearts.
Clownfish. Nemo is a clown. Sea turtles don't have teeth. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are 95% water. Starfish. A starfish doesn't have a brain and doesn't have any blood. Seahorse.
Seahorses can change their color in minutes, from black.
Coral. Coral lives at the bottom of the ocean. Sea otter. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep. Pufferfish. A pufferfish is the most poisonous fish in the sea. Lobster. Lobsters have the ability to regenerate some of their body parts. Crab.
Crabs have claws on their 2 front legs. They use these.
Swordfish. Why do you think it's called a swordfish? Whale.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.